What's up, guys? So I think it's finally time to say goodbye. Don't get this wrong, guys. I'm not talking about leaving the game or anything. I'm talking about saying goodbye to Elite 1. I am Elite 1 for a very long time. Very long time. And I enjoy my time as Elite 1. I still want to be Elite 1, but I don't think it's really worth it to be Elite 1 anymore. The more I play this game, the more I notice that majority of the players in the game are starting to have T11 troops. It's like T11 are become necessity. And I will say at 1 year before this, I was really enjoying my time as Elite 1. There was not a lot of players that have T11 troops, so I was able to compete with them, and I knew this something like this is going to happen in future. I was preparing for this, and if you are following my channel for some time, you know that I'm trying to get 1000 shooter attack without spending. So my goal was that, and I think I'm very near. This round I made a lot of progress, and you will be very surprised once I'm going to make a stats update video. But I think I'm very near, and I think I cannot just wait for this. I'm very near to completing my goal, and I think by the time I will be Elite 5, I will hit my goal and we are going to move forward. There are a lot of videos that I can make if I'm going to be Elite 5. There are a lot of things that I can cover if I'm going to be Elite 5. So I think it's finally time to say goodbye to Elite 1. I enjoy this a lot, guys. I really enjoy being Elite 1. It just gives you a different feeling. If you are a lower level mention, and if our Elite 5 is going to attack you or Elite 6 is going to attack you and they cannot burn you, it just make you feel proud. I just don't know if any of you guys are lower mention with very high stats. You will notice this feeling that it's really great feeling, but I just cannot do this anymore. If I want to do this, it's going to be very hard for me to stay Elite 1 and still push my stats above 1000, and I think it's not possible without spending a lot. I've not decided yet what I'm going to do after Elite 5, if I want to continue increasing my shooter stats or I want to play bikers. We will decide that later, but for now, if I will stick to Elite 1, it's going to be very hard for me to increase my stats above 1000 and continue doing this. It's going to be harder. And even with, if I'm going to be 1000 stats, if I Elite 5 with similar stats like me is going to have T11 troops, T11 shooters, he's going to destroy me, guys. T11 troops are very important. They are very strong. They are more stronger than T10 troops. I will say they are like 50% more stronger than T10 troops. If I'm going to have T11 snipers, what they are called, let's take a look. If I'm going to have this T11 ghost shot, this is more stronger than T10 gunners, guys. They are a lot stronger. I will say 50% more stronger than T10 gunners. So it's very important, and you can see on your screen that I'm very near to unlocking this. So by the time I will be Elite 5, I will have this investment unlock, and right off the bat I will be Elite 5. I will have already T11 troops ready to go. I'm going to say goodbye to Elite 1 and I'm going to push towards Elite 5. So that is going to be my goal. Is I was preparing for this for a long time. I was doing this T11 troops investment. I knew there will be a time where I need to upgrade my mansion, when I need to move forward. So we are going to upgrade to Elite 5. Now the another thing about this is that I am not sure how I want to upgrade to Elite 5. If I want to do this in fancy way, where you are going to upgrade to Elite 5 in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I have a lot of speed ups. I did not upgrade my mansion for more than 1 year. I don't even know how long it's been. I think more than 2 years. Yes, I have not upgraded my mansion for a very long time, and I have a lot of building speed ups. So speed ups are not the problem. The problem is resource, and if I want to do this in just one go, I need to collect a lot of resource, and it's going to take me at least 2 months to collect this kind of resource. Or if I just want to do this in a normal way, where you upgrade one level at one time and then move forward, just let me know in the comment section, guys, what will be right, if I need to upgrade my mansion in one go or just do this in a normal way. Let me know in the comment section, because in order to unlock my T11 shooters, I need to have my shooter camp at Elite 5. So this is very necessary. It's a requirement that I need to be Elite 5 in order to have T11 troops. So I think it's finally time to do this. I still have a feeling that I don't want to, but I think it's necessary, guys. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what you think about this, and make sure you like and subscribe, because a stats update video is going to come in the future and you're going to be very surprised after seeing this. So that's it, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.